Yeah, brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? Yeah, so Saturday morning, before we cook, we need to do some washing. This is Ghana, this is how we do it, yeah? I'm a 40.
I felt cash wonder.
Yeah, the sun is up, so I need to hide out here, man. There's shade over here. So in Ghana, Saturday mornings are for washings, and before you do anything, the first thing you need to do is to wash, then later you eat, you cook, and you party. Or if you want to go somewhere, you do it.
Outside, yeah. We popping champagne, we drinking my way.
And this is white towel. So I soaked this thing over yesterday because it's white and I needed to wash it well. So you soak it overnight. Yeah, so when washing, you need three buckets or 3 bowls or something, yeah? So this is 2 plus 1 over there.
Then dash go digital, man go animal, inexplicable. See the way that she cat's so pitiful. About wife that's mythical, bad ones love when a man get physical. And she loving it unconditional.
This will be the first time, so I'm transferring everything here inside. Add water to it.
Man, there ain't feeling. I got several drops and I'm screaming. Catch that boy outside of him leaning.
We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side, we gonna be alright. We outside, yeah.
Add more water to it. Okay.
We popping champagne, we drinking my way. Fuck all my head.
So this is where the real struggle begins, yeah? And it's normal, you need to do white first, then you do colors, yeah?
Então.
Yeah, so since I soaked this yesterday, I'll be washing and
Don't stop till it's over, cause we grind up to the top. Bad energy, yeah. Stay far away, yeah. Don't come away, yeah. If you did it, yeah. Fuck it, negativity, well ahead, yeah. Slide it, opportunities, then we grab it, yeah. Never doubt it, longevity, yeah, we go it.
squeeze to get the water out. And now, move it to the next level. I don't go next level. So yeah, so make sure it's flexible, then you drop inside the second bucket. Yeah. Over here, we do a bit of cream. If you have cream colors and grey, all those colors will go in. Boxers, panties. Yeah. The black are mostly the last to come. To go inside. And also you check for money. Sometimes you're gonna want CDB baby. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, so we have this one over here, and right now it will be inside, and I'll move to this place to wash for the second time over here. So the time that I'll finish over here, this will be softened a bit. So here the soap shouldn't be that much, because from here to go to the last one, then it will go to the dry line. So already there's soap inside the towel, yeah. So I just use that one to wash it.
We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side, we gonna be alright. We outside, yeah.
Then transfer to the last one. So here should be the last, and from here to go to the dry line.
Gangsters never cry, we gonna be alright. We outside, yeah. We popping champagne, we drinking my way. Fuck all my enemies.
Smooth criminal, I tech gal then dash go digital, man go animal, inexplicable. See the way that she cat's so pitiful. About wife that's mythical, bad ones love when a man get physical. And she loving it unconditional, big medicinal, showing them one about clinical.
Yeah, so we're done with the washing. Yeah? Okay. Then it's time to wash the buckets and all the stuff. So over here. Yeah, so done with the washing, and like almost 1 hour 30 minutes to do the washing, and it's done. It's now time to eat. Then if I have to cook, I will cook. But for the meantime, yeah, so it's now time to get the breakfast, yeah. So some cocoa and blue fruits and shit. Yeah, so breakfast, yeah, and this is cocoa over here. My face is not coming, so yeah, this is millet porridge, yeah, cocoa, and this is bull fruit, puff, bull fruit, bull fruit. Buy fruit. I said, what's up, fun? It's a Friday. A Friday. So for buy fruit, yeah, buy fruit. Yeah. So after washing, this goes in.
We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side, we gon' be alright. We outside, yeah. We poppin' champagne, we drinking my way, fuck all my enemies. We outside, yeah. Gangsters never cry, we gon' be alright. We outside, yeah. We poppin' champagne, we drinking my way, fuck all my enemies.
Smooth criminal, I tech gal then dash go digital, man go animal inexplicable. See the way that she catch so pitiful. About wife that's mythical, bad ones love when a man get physical. And she
Come on, Eddie. 821. Yeah, yeah, this is a village, yeah, semi-village. Semi-village. I'm sure you are. I'm ready. Okay, get go Libya. Hey! Bro, so that was your photo though. Bro, so that your photo though. This was the cruising. But this is no idea. Can't have a channel.
Come, let's watch shisha. Wait. We don't need no pressure. Wait. Come, let's watch shisha. Wait. We don't need no pressure. Big boy in the Rover, Pankton's by my side. Don't stop till it's over. Cause we grind up to the top. But in the day, yeah. Stay far away, yeah. Don't come away, yeah. If you did it, yeah. Fuck it, negativity, well, I hate, yeah. Slide it, opportunities, then we grab it, yeah.